Hi, my name is Laura Wang. I'm the Vice President of Digital Marketing and Operations at MariaDB. MariaDB is a new generation cloud database company with billions of users. We reach billions of people through Linux distributions, as well as the open source MariaDB server having been downloaded billions of times, making us one of the most widely used databases on the planet. We have a small marketing team that is responsible for everything you could imagine, end-to-end, running trade shows to demand generation programs to, of course, marketing operations and digital programs, which falls under me. We happen to be a very, very metrics-driven department and function. We make all our decisions based on data. So our biggest challenge was to feed the appetite for analytics, which was ever growing, but only have one person to be able to meet that demand. So we had to find a way to what I call scale vertically, have one person become basically a superhero. How do we make one person do way more than what could naturally be done? So we turned to Savant to help make our marketing operations hero, John, into a superhero. He has been able to take what is normally generated as a report that everybody knows systems and applications can generate reports, but I think we all know that the story never ends there. The reports are just not sufficient in terms of a final deliverable. And so John would spend hours taking reports, pre-existing reports and things that would come out of source systems, but be able to pull those together, put them into a format that people would want to read and digest. That would take multiple hundreds of man hours on a weekly, monthly, quarterly basis. And it was very tedious and rote work that was just ripe for automation. And when I found Savant and learned that there was a solution to our problem, we moved forward with it very, very quickly and have found a ton of success with it. By using Savant, we were able to turn our single marketing operations lead into a superhero, multiplying his bandwidth and time by automating what used to be manual. Once we were able to get Savant up and running and actually have sort of what we would call an end-to-end solution, right? So taking the data from the source and delivering it into the final packaging that we would like to be able to simply copy and paste or simply send a link to show the numbers exactly the way that we want it to. When I was able to see that demonstrated for the first time, it was definitely a wow moment for me, being able to see it all happen where literally we didn't have to lift a finger. We just let the Savant job run and the data literally was voila on the screen, exactly the way we wanted it, without any human intervention whatsoever. So that's the moment when I said, thank goodness we have Savant help us to make that dream into a reality. We've been able to estimate a near 10x return on investment just within the first year of working with Savant in terms of the man hours saved on manual effort and the Tableau licensing costs that we were able to eliminate. Working with the Savant team has been fantastic. What a great group of people, super, super smart. Not only did they get us up and running technically speaking, but were full of great suggestions on how to solve the problems that we were setting out to solve, with suggestions on how to build the workflows and how to manipulate the data to get the final deliverables we were looking for.